In the last lecture, I was explained irrigation, types of irrigation देखे हमने, then watering, frequency of irrigation and time of watering. जो time of watering में थोड़ा सा explain की थी, right? उसमें दो points दिए हुए, indoor plants and outdoor plants. So firstly, I'm show you video. Watch this. more important for a planting. हम लोग टाइप देखेंगे अभी। यहाँ पे इंडोर प्लांट है और दूसरा कौन सा है, आउटडोर प्लांट्स। सो टाइम ऑफ वाटरिंग फॉर इंडोर प्लांट्स, आवाज आ रही है ना मेरी? हेलो
मैम।
मैम तुम्हारी आवाज कट रही थी, क्वेश्चन क्या पूछे?
अभी आ रही है?
हाँ अभी आती है।
ओके। सो टाइम ऑफ वाटरिंग में हम लोग इंडोर प्लांट्स देखेंगे और आउटडोर प्लांट्स। Watering to indoor plants means first point is soil in indoor loses moisture much faster than outdoor plants. In indoor plants, air is dry and air acceleration is more due to a hello
हाँ
network
मैम
issue
आ
है
रही
इसमें.
है।
Okay, so how should you water indoor plants? With the most plant you should water when the soil feel dry to the touch. Means when the soil feel dry to the touch, you can gently stick your finger in the soil to see how dry it is. For a water lover, water when the surface is dry. For succulents and dried plant, water when most of the soil feel dry. Means वाटरिंग कब करना है, जब सॉइल ड्राई लगेंगी. ओके, सो डिपेंड किस पे करेगा, सॉइल के ऊपर. The morning is the best time to give your indoor plants a drink, especially during the hot summer month. These will allow the plant to absorb the water before it gets too hot, which can cause the water to evaporate too quickly. Dark. A plant come nightfall will stay damp until the sun comes up again, which could set the stage for a issue like a pest. मैंने तुमको इससे पहले भी लेक्चर में एक्सप्लेन की थी कि मॉर्निंग टाइम इज बेस्ट एज कंपेयर टू नाइट, राइट? क्योंकि नाइट में वहाँ पे फंगस ग्रो होने के चांसेस होते हैं. सो Pay special attention to when you are watering plant in southern facing windows which tend to receive a lot of direct sun. When the light is less harsh, the timing of watering becomes slightly less important. So as season changes, depend किस पे करेगा सीजन पे और उसको कितनी लाइट मिल रही है प्लांट को उस हिसाब से वाटरिंग करनी है. सो सीजन चेंजेस भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज है. योर प्लांट वाटरिंग नीड will change too in the fall and winter months. You likely need to scale back your watering routine as a plant go dormant or grow more slowly as a light become less available and temperature drop. So soil indoor loses moisture much faster than outdoor plants. Thus, more required quantity of water is needed. Indoor plants should be watered at least twice a day. Indoor plants के लिए twice a day watering करनी है. So indoor plants should be watered at least twice a day. Amount of watering depend on size of pot drainage. Amount of watering depend किस पे करेंगी? Size of pot drainage. Okay. Soil composition, size of plant and relative humidity means depend किस पे कर रहा है वो soil composition, size of plant and relative humidity और season temperature इस पे depend करेंगे हम plant को कितना water करना चाहिए. ये किस पे depend है? Size of pot, soil composition, then relative humidity. Okay. Next is the outdoor plants. Means best time to water the garden plants like early morning 5 to 9 a.m. is the best time to water the garden when using a sprinkler garden house. है ना, मैंने तुमको ड्रिप इरिगेशन बताई थी, देन स्प्रिंकलर इरिगेशन बोली थी जो मॉडर्न मेथड्स में आता है. तो best early morning 5 to 9 a.m. is the best time to water the garden when using a sprinkler or a garden hose or any other device that wets the plant foliage. Okay, when water is completed, the plant foliage dries quickly. The rapid drying of plant foliage help guard against the development of fungal diseases. Additionally, a morning application allows the water to soak deeply into the soil with little water lost to evaporation. मीन्स हम अगर मॉर्निंग में कर रहे वाटरिंग तो वो वाटर पूरी तरह से एब्जॉर्ब होता है. मॉर्निंग एप्लीकेशन अलाउ द वाटर टू सोक डीपली इनटू द सॉइल विथ लिटिल वाटर लॉस टू इवोपरेशन. Watering at midday is less efficient because of rapid evaporation. Midday में evaporation अगर हम watering कर रहे plant को तो वहाँ पे evaporation more amount में होगा. So watering at midday is less efficient because of rapid evaporation. When using a sprinkler, midday watering can also be wasteful as a strong wind may carry water on the driveway और अदर नियर बाय एरिया. ओके, सो मिड डे में करना इतना ज़्यादा गुड नहीं है एज कम्पेयर टू मॉर्निंग. मॉर्निंग में ज़्यादा मोस्टली वाटरिंग मॉर्निंग में ही करनी चाहिए. The clur or a garden hose can lead to greater diseases. है ना, नाइट में करना या इवनिंग में वहाँ पे डिसीज होने के चांसेस होते हैं, फंगल डिसीजेस. वाटरिंग इन द इवनिंग विद अ स्प्रिंकलर और अ गार्डन हॉस disease problem as the plant foliage will wet throughout the. So morning and evening are an excellent time to water gardens when using a drip irrigation system or a soccer hose. So watering in the evening isn't problem as this method doesn't wet plant foliage. So all season in the beds and perennials should be watered regularly either in a morning or a evening. It is not advisable to water the plant at a noon time. Foliage plant such as coleus, pathos, ferns, etc. need a watering can in order to keep them moist, clean and fresh. Then bulbous and tuberous plants do not need water as frequently as a seasonal or a perennial. So this is time of watering. Next is a weeding or a weed control. This is a new point. So what is weed? What are the weed? Weed are the undesirable plant which grow along with the cultivated crops. Weed क्या है? Undesirable plant होता है which grow along with the cultivated plants like amaranthus का plant पता है? Amaranthus family सुने हैं ना? Amaranthus is the
Yes,
most
ma'am.
common weed. हाँ, तो Amaranthus is the most common weed growing in sugarcane field. Okay, sugarcane crops में वो as a weed grow होता है. So weed are the undesirable plant which grow along with a cultivated crop. Then weeding. Weeding is a process. Process means the removal of weed is called as a weeding. Okay, process of removal of weed is called as weeding. Weed is undesirable plant which grow along with a cultivated crop, and removal of weed is called as a weeding. Okay, then why weeding is important? Because anyone knows weeding is important because removal of weeds are very important. Why it is important?
To compete with the main crop plant.
Okay, so it complete with the main crop of water, nutrients, space, and light. Then another important thing over here is weeding is important because it affects human health, right? It weeding affect in on a human health. Many common weed cause asthma and other respiratory problems. Some weeds can cause skin irritation, while other are poisonous. Weeds also interfere with the harvesting process, which is an important agricultural practice later in agriculture. So it is important to go for the removal of weeds. Okay, so weeding is important because they complete with the main crop of water, nutrients, space and light. Then may affect human health. Human health पे भी इफेक्ट करता है वो. Then may interfere with harvesting. Okay, so these are the importance of weeding. So weeds are unwanted plant in wanted plants. Weeding क्या है? Weeds are unwanted plants in wanted plants. Or we can say the undesirable plant which grow along with a cultivated crop is called weed, and removal of weeds is called as weeding. Okay? ये point भी आप लोग वहाँ पे add कर सकते introduction में. Then nuisance of weeds. Nuisance of weed, or we can say inconvenience of weeds. First point is a competition. So weeds use CO2, H2O, essential raw material, and creates competition with the main crop. Right? So competition. Weeds क्या use कर रहा है वहाँ पे? CO2, H2O, then nutrients, minerals, essential raw materials, and create a competition. किसके साथ में competition कर रहा है वो? With the main crop. Okay, Then photosynthesis problem. Weeds are taller than crop. Means main crop. Weeds are the taller than crop. They use light and shadowed main crops to create a photosynthesis problem to main crop. राइट मीन्स मेन क्रॉप से ज़्यादा हाइट में अगर वीड्स ग्रो हो रहे तो उस वो एब्जॉर्ब करेंगे फोटोसिंथेसिस किसमें होगा ज़्यादा वीड्स में होगा देन नेक्स्ट इज अ yield as weeds complete and create problem to photosynthesis yield of a main crop decreases जो मेन क्रॉप होंगी वो बिकॉज ऑफ वीट डिक्रीज होंगी क्योंकि वहाँ पे पूरी तरह से कंप्लीट फोटोसिंथेसिस किसका होने लगेगा वीड्स का okay so as the weeds complete and create a problem to photosynthesis yield of main crop decrease होंगी वहाँ पे then harbor disease weeds are a wild and resistant to disease. The harbor nematodes, bacteria like pathogens, it become of disease inoculum to main crop. Okay, so यहाँ पे न्यूसेंस ऑफ वीड्स कंप्लीट हुआ है मैंने आप लोगों को ये भी एक्सप्लेन किया व्हाट इज वीड एंड व्हाट इज वीडिंग देन व्हाई इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट व्हाई वीडिंग इज इम्पॉर्टेंट ओके In the next lecture, I will explain methods of controlling weeds. Okay, we should stop here. Thank you.